Production technology of Lilium. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the origin and distribution of Lilium, explain the soil and climatic requirements suitable for Lilium cultivation, explain the cultivation practices of Lilium. One flower, hundreds of myths. Leonard, a 5th century fearless warrior, lived in a beautiful village. He was also called as Saint Leonard as he was closely associated with God. One fine day, he visited the nearest forest. He saw a huge dragon from a distance. Suddenly, the dragon noticed his presence and turned wild. A terrible battle began, and the blood of both Leonard and the dragon dribbled over the forest land. According to God's prophecy, a poisonous weed would grow from the blood of dragon and a beautiful royal flower would bloom from Leonard's blood. As prophesied, a beautiful royal flower bloomed along with some poisonous weeds. This flower was considered as a symbol of purity by the ancient people. Today, the flower is called as the Queen of Summer Garden. Excited to know its name? It is the one and only charming Lilium. Do you know there are various myths in history about Lilium which emphasize its pride? Come, let us learn more about this wonderful flower with respect to its origin, soil, and climatic requirements and production technology. Lilium, the 4th most important cut flower in the world, belongs to the family Liliaceae. It is believed that Lilium is a 5 million year old plant which has been under cultivation for the past 3000 years. However, according to the known records, Lilium first originated in Taiwan during 712 AD. Subsequently, the flower spread all over the northern hemisphere countries. In India, some of the states that cultivate Lilium are Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Manipur. Moving on, let us discuss the cultivation practices of Lilium. Basically, greenhouse practice is considered as the best method for growing Lilium. Some of the well-known Lilium varieties cultivated in greenhouse are Brindisi, Brunello, Courier, and Serrata. Let us discuss the soil and climatic requirements suitable for Lilium cultivation. A good textured, well-drained loamy soil is required for cultivating Lilium. Besides, a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius is maintained inside the poly house. Generally, a shading of 50 to 70% is beneficial during the vegetative period. Planting seasons. Autumn is regarded as the best season for planting Lilium because the roots can develop before the arrival of the next season. Plant propagation. Lilium plants are generally propagated through scales, bulbils, small bulbs, seeds, and micropropagation. Let us discuss each method of propagation. Scale propagation. Here, the scales of the bulb are propagated for plant development. Initially, the scales are collected from fallen bulbs and planted in a pot containing moist soil. Later, the pot is maintained in warmer temperatures for about 2 months. Once small leaves begin to develop, the tiny plants are transplanted to a permanent location. Propagation through bulbils. Here, the bulbils from old Lilium plants are collected and stored in a plastic bag containing soil. When the bulbils start to form roots, they are transplanted to a pot containing moisture-rich soil. Propagation through small bulbs. Here, the propagation is carried out using small bulbs collected from parent plants. These bulbs are placed in pots filled with suitable soil. Propagation through seeds. In this method, the seeds are sown with an inter-row spacing of 40 centimeters and an intra-row spacing of 15 centimeters in order to obtain 25 to 60 plants per square meter area. Moreover, it is necessary to propagate the seeds 10 to 15 centimeters below the soil for proper development of roots. Propagation through micropropagation. At present, the successful use of micropropagation techniques for rapid propagation of some species of the genus Lilium is carried out. Let us continue with the cultivation practices of Lilium. Before planting, the moisture content of the topsoil is maintained through sprinkler irrigation. After planting, irrigation is continued for 3 weeks to ensure sufficient moisture retention of the soil. Later, drip irrigation is carried out so as to avoid foliage wetting, which is not good for Lilium plants. Intercultural practices. The practices such as staking, weeding, fertilizer application, and pest and disease control are carried out at the right time. Staking. In order to keep the plants erect, staking, a support system is introduced in the cultivation zone. Materials like wire mesh and plastic nets are used for this purpose. Weeding. It is the removal of unwanted plants that grow along with the Lilium. Generally, hand weeding is performed 3 to 4 times in the course of the cultivation process. Apart from hand weeding, weedicides like propyzamide is sprayed on weeds at the rate of 2.25 kilograms per hectare. Fertilizer application. Fertilizers such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium at the ratio of 30:20:20 grams per square meter is usually applied for the first 3 weeks after planting. After 3 weeks, calcium nitrate is applied at the rate of 1 kilogram per 100 square meters, and after 6 weeks, potassium nitrate is applied at the same rate per 100 square meters. Pest and disease control. Aphids and thrips are some of the major pests commonly found to affect the Lilium plants. Aphids can be controlled by spraying Nuvin at the rate of 2 milliliters per liter of water, and thrips can be controlled by spraying monocrotophos at the rate of 2 milliliters per liter of water. Apart from these, major diseases found to affect Lilium plants are foot rot, root rot, and brown spot. These diseases can be controlled by spraying Dithane M45 at the rate of 200 grams per 100 square meters. Harvesting. Usually, Lilium flowers are ready for harvest from 90 to 120 days after planting. Harvesting should begin immediately after the appearance of flower buds in distinct colors. To improve the shelf life of Lilium, the harvested flowers are stored under moist conditions at 2 to 5 degrees Celsius for a week. Yield. The average yield of Lilium is about 30 to 40 flowers per square meter. Finally, let us discuss the uses of Lilium and conclude the topic. Lilium flowers can be used for decorative purposes. The oil extracted from Lilium flower is used for curing skin diseases. This flower is also used as medicine to cure heart ailments. Moreover, this flower is added to different types of Western and Asian food varieties to enhance their taste. Summary. Well, that has been an interesting lesson about the production technology of Lilium. Let us recall what we have studied in this lesson. Lilium, the fourth most important cut flower in the world, belongs to the family Liliaceae. Lilium plants are propagated through scale, bulbils, small bulbs and seeds. Intercultural practices such as staking, weeding, fertilizer application, and pest and disease control are carried out during the cultivation process. The average yield of Lilium is 30 to 40 flowers per square